Hi there and welcome to WB Fun Woodworking. I'm Don. Today I thought I'd give you a short tip on something that I think is extremely important for every shop, especially those of you that work at night in your shops or you have a basement shop with no windows. While I had seen the large battery-powered emergency lights in stores and other public buildings for many years, it wasn't until the 6.7 Northridge earthquake in 1994 that we started seeing them showing up in stores at a smaller size that could be used in homes. While it was too late for the emergency, my wife and I still bought quite a few of them for our house, and we've been using in our homes ever since. The tip I have for you involves this little device right here. This is an emergency light. You may have seen the large ones that they have in stores, but they make them in this size for homeowners. I'll simulate the loss of electricity by unplugging this one. As you can see, immediately when it left the plug, these LEDs came on. This model is very nice because it does have a switch. This is a close-up of the switch. When it's in the center position, it's off. That preserves battery. It might be useful during the day, especially if you had a period of time where there was a long electrical outage. The bottom is the auto. We leave it in that position all the time. That way, when the electricity goes off, these three LEDs come on automatically. And then the up position is the flashlight mode, which would be very handy to have in an emergency. The flashlight mode can also be used as an auto mode. Today we have them in almost every room of the house, and especially we have them near the entrances, just like I do in my shop. I have one at this entrance and I have one at the entrance across the way. Recently, when someone took out a power pole near our house, it was very handy to have all the lights around the house. It made it much safer for us to get around. And the dogs liked it too. I would think that those of you especially live in areas where they have thunderstorms quite often or other reasons that you lose power, that something like this would be very handy to have, especially if you have a basement with no windows. I know one of these doesn't sound like that real fancy tool that you would love to have for your woodworking shop, but it's a very great safety feature to have. They're fairly inexpensive and they're easy to install. You just plug them in. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up down below. Leave any questions or comments. I've left a link in the description to this particular brand that I bought, but there are others available. Thank you all very much for watching.